Welcome to Ysgoldy'r Cwrt Gardens. This would have been our opening day, but because of the strangeness of the times, we're obviously having to be shut. But I'd like to take you on a tour to show you how the garden's doing. This garden was created about 10 years ago from what was basically a hillside, and it's maturing very rapidly. I'll take you through the laburnum walk. We're waiting for these to establish themselves a bit more, and then we'll put them together and create arches. This garden really is created with the idea of attracting wildlife with the wildflower meadows, as you can see now, which are looking really lovely this time of year. There still seems to be an abundance of wildlife, insects, things coming. We travel on over the bridge into the aptly named sausage bed because of the shape. But this is all filling out very much now. Got flow mist there looking lovely. A lot of different things going on. Euonymus. They're winding their way through the meadows. We like to cut the areas out, mow them, and then you can get a good contrast between the two. You can see how lovely the meadows looking in its full glory. These are the major beds here, which are starting to fill right out. Irises are looking beautiful here, and this is the top pond. Again, we're lacking water here. Normally on the open day we'd have this running and the water would run out over the edge there down the rill that we created. I'll show you that from the bottom in a minute. Into a pond here. Carry on. And we find the Buddha sitting in the quiet. You can see the house here. So if we stand here, you can see the rill. This would normally be working, as I say, and the water would be cascading down into that pond. This is the cat steps. We cut our way down this bank and just thought we'd make something different. Stumpery. This is the lower pond. The upper pond drains into this and then into the river. Lots of house leek, interesting things. And this is the shade bed. Little oasis there. And coming down, we've made an access to the river here, which borders the whole garden. Again, looking dry because of the weather. This is a beautiful gunnerer here. Again with the small river running down through. lot of seated areas in this garden as it's on a bit of a slope, so you can take your time to travel round. We've had several birds nesting in the trees this year. The Korean fir there. Getting a good view of the house. And this is the rose walk. It's looking really lovely this time of year. And again, steps down to the river. Enjoy as it is there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your tour.